Then I am making curry, but I don't have curd. Will you please give me some curd?
Yes, sure, Shantaben. Here you are.
Then I am making curry, but I don't have gram flour. Will you please give me some gram flour?
Of course, Shantaben. Why not?
Hemuben, are you there?
Please come, Shantaben. Hemu is not at home. How can I help you?
Rakesh bhai, I am making curry, but I don't have curry leaves. Will you please give me some curry leaves?
Shantaben, you already have curry and gram flour with you. Hemu is making curry today. Please don't make it yourself. We will send you some curry when it's ready.